You're okay. I think he's more fucked up than me.
Christian, you're smoking another cigarette?
Yep.
Why would he be fake?
Are you recording this, man? What the fuck?
Don't put that on YouTube because the people that go to our school can see that.
No, nobody knows my YouTube name.
Come on, dude. Do it. That was two. I've seen it, dude.
That was one.
I've seen it.
Oh, you're not gonna do shit anyway.
Damn, Ricky.
What?
Damn you.
What the fuck?
Gooch would be sitting at home.
Who?
Yeah, no, right?
Gustavo?
Yeah.
Does he ever do anything during the weekdays?
No.
No. He just sits at home?
Well, because really, normally there isn't shit to do.
Yeah, we're doing something.
Yeah, let me get some.
We're doing a little
We're doing
dust.
stupid shit.
Soda.
He doesn't do this.
You got something to drink?
What do you want?